Welcome to Have a Drink with Me. I'm your host, Dylan Polniak. Today we're at Little Bear Bar in downtown Los Angeles, where Dana's going to show us how to make one of her favorite cocktails, the Bears and the Bees.
Hi everyone, my name is Dana de la Garza. I've been bartending for 14 years, and today I'm going to show you an easy, shandy-inspired cocktail that I made for Little Bear Bar in downtown LA called the Bears and the Bees. So you want to start with an empty glass. We want these ingredients to marinate and get to know each other before you seize them up with some cold ice. So I'm going to start with 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce of that honey syrup, and we're going to add 1.5 ounces of your favorite gin. Now we're going to go ahead and add our ice. Once we've added our ice, we're going to give it what's known as a hard shake. So you want to try to make the liquid in your shaker go in a circle around the ice rather than through it, because you don't want to over dilute this cocktail. Couple of good hard shakes and you're ready to go. You're going to go ahead and dump it into your glass as is. And you want to make sure you choose a glass where you would have a little bit of space at the top, because we're going to top this cocktail with Pilsner or a Wit Beer. Any kind of light, crisp beer that you like would go really well in this cocktail. I topped this cocktail with White Rascal. Now we're gonna add a lemon zest. So you just take your peeler, apply a good amount of pressure so you can get a nice wide zest. Then you want to release those oils on top of your cocktail by squeezing. And then rub some of that oil on the rim. And there you have it, the Bears and the Bees.
I'd like to thank Dana and our friends here at Little Bear Bar in downtown Los Angeles. Follow them on social media at Little Bear Bar for updates and current promos that they're running. Check out our show at hadwm.com, follow us on social media at hadwm, and visit our store, shop.hadwm.com.